Hello kabayan, if you were to describe Lapas Batchoy in one word, what would it be? Hello ma'am, magandang gabi sa inyo. Kumusta po kayo ngayon?
Okay lang po.
Ma'am, anong masasabi mo sa Lapas Batchoy, ma'am?
Masarap kumain.
Masarap kumain. Describe Lapas Batchoy in one word.
Delicious, amazing.
Oh. Thank you so much, ma'am. Ikaw, ma'am, kumusta ka po ngayon?
Okay lang po.
Anong masasabi mo sa Lapas Batchoy?
Masarap po yung mga pagkain nila dito.
Okay. Describe Lapas Batchoy in one word.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, ma'am. Enjoy your meal. Hello po, magandang gabi. Andito na po ang order natin. Isang lumi. Isang goto. 2 Pepsi. Chili sauce. Sige po, ma'am. Maraming salamat po. Ano po ang masasabi niyo sa Lapas Batchoy, ma'am?
It's so nice, so delicious,
Describe Lapas Batchoy in one word.
presentable,
Thank you so much. Okay. Ano po, ma'am?
presentable.
Okay, maraming salamat po, ma'am.
Assalamualaikum. Hello, kabayan.
What can you say about Lapas Batchoy?
Lapas was very taste.
Very taste.
Your service very.
Oh,
Very
thank you so much, my friend. Describe Lapas Batchoy in one word.
Nice. Very attraction. Lapas was very nice. Oh, decoration. My friend, he's very good. Very good service.
Oh, okay, my friend. Thank you so much.
Cooking everything. Good.
Everything is good.
Pray for me. I am here always.
Hello, ma'am. Kumusta po tayo ngayon?
Mabuti.
Ano po ba ang masasabi mo sa Lapas Batchoy, ma'am?
Masarap yung food.
Masarap yung food. Describe Lapas Batchoy in one word.
Amazing.
Amazing. Amazing. Thank you so much, ma'am. Hello po, ma'am. Kumusta po tayo ngayon?
Okay naman po.
Ano po ang masasabi natin sa Lapas Batchoy, ma'am?
Lapas Batchoy, malinis siya, masarap yung pagkain.
Okay. Malinis, masarap ang pagkain. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. Describe Lapas Batchoy in one word.
Maybe super delicious for me.
Delicious. Okay. Okay, delicious. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. Hello, sir. Magandang araw sa'yo. Kamusta ka po ngayon?
Okay naman. Maayos.
Anong masasabi mo sa Lapas Batchoy, sir?
Lapas Batchoy, maganda, masarap. Tapos,
Okay, thank you so much. Describe Lapas Batchoy in one word.
siguro masabi ko, fantastic. Tapos, yung presentation.
Okay. Fantastic.
Yeah, fantastic.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, kabayan, for being loyal to Lapas Batchoy. Pagpalain nawa tayo ng Diyos.